Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if Windows security, virus and threat protection is showing red X over here. So to fix it, you can make a double click. If real-time protection is like when you make a double click, now over here you can see virus and threat protection. If this is off, you can turn it on. Click on yes. Now once you turn it on, it should go away. But if everything is fine over here, then still you see red X, then you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the first command and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Once this is done, you can restart your PC once, and after the system restart, you can check for Windows security. So here you can see it's gone. Still not working. You can run the second command, copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Copy this, type in PowerShell in Windows search box once again. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will re-register Microsoft Store apps, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors like this in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see everything red, and then again restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Now still not working. The last step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option. Scroll down, go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you can log in and then you can check for privacy and security, Windows security, and everything should be fine over here. And when you make a double click on the Windows security icon over here, everything should be fine, and that red X should be gone. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.